Having trouble setting your default printer? Here's how to fix the operation could not be completed. Error 0x00000709 in Windows 11. Stay tuned for simple steps to resolve it quickly. Let's go through the steps to fix the issue. First, search for Regedit in the search bar. Click on Run as Administrator and then click Yes when prompted. Next, click on File at the top and choose Export. Now select a location to save your current registry editor as a backup. Type a name for the backup, then click on Save. Now expand hkey_current_user. Go to Software Microsoft Windows NT. CurrentVersion. Right-click on Windows and click on Permissions. Click on Add, then go to the Windows Start menu and check your username. Type your username, click on Check Names, and then click OK. Make sure Full Control is checkmarked, and click OK. Now locate and delete the legacy default printer mode registry editor files again. Delete device registry editor files. You'll find a registry editor patch in the video description. After that, right-click on the Windows Start button and restart your PC. Here is the next step. Follow the step. Search for Control Panel and open it. Click on Hardware and Sound, then Devices and Printers. In the Printers and Scanners section, disable the option Allow Windows to manage my default printer. Finally, click on the printer name you want to set as default and select Set as Default, and you're done. Your issue should now be fixed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.